How to fix ceiling fan noise for studying. Are you struggling to concentrate because of that annoying noise from your ceiling fan while studying? You are not alone. A noisy ceiling fan can be a real distraction when you are trying to focus. Let's go through some practical steps to fix that fan noise and create a peaceful environment for your studies. First, check and tighten the screws on your fan. Loose screws can cause rattling or clicking noises. Make it a habit to inspect all screws regularly and tighten any that are loose. This simple step can significantly reduce vibration and noise. Next, clean the fan blades and motor. Dust and debris can accumulate on the blades and inside the motor, making the fan imbalanced and noisy. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the blades and a vacuum with a brush attachment for the motor housing. Keeping it clean helps prevent uneven rotation and sound. Now let's talk about balancing the fan blades. If the blades are uneven or bent, they can cause wobbling and noise. Inspect each blade for any bends or warping. If you find any, gently adjust or replace the damaged blades. You can also use a balancing kit, which often comes with the fan, to attach small weights to the blades for even balance. It is also important to inspect the mounting of the fan. Ensure that it is securely mounted to the ceiling bracket. Loose mounting can lead to vibration and rattling. Tighten all mounting screws and check that the bracket is properly fastened to the ceiling structure. Next, verify the electrical connections. Humming or buzzing noises can come from loose or improper connections. Always turn off the power before checking wiring connections for security and correctness. If you are unsure, it is best to consult a professional electrician. Another step is to check the blade height and alignment. Blades installed at inconsistent heights or angles can cause imbalance and noise. Adjust the blade brackets to ensure all blades are level and evenly spaced. Consider the mounting system and fan height as well. Using the correct mounting system for your ceiling type is essential. If the fan is installed too low, it may produce more noise. Make sure it is not too close to the ceiling or too low in the room. If noise persists after these steps, you might want to upgrade to a direct current motor fan. Fans with direct current motors operate more quietly and with less vibration than traditional alternating current motors. This can make a big difference in creating a quiet study environment. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce or eliminate ceiling fan noise. This will help you create a more conducive atmosphere for studying without distractions. Regular maintenance and proper installation are key to keeping your fan running quietly and efficiently.